Hi, my name is Attorney Brian Cimino, and I wanted to talk to you about how you can connect for your Board of Appeal hearing. The Board of Appeal does not hold hearings in person. Instead, hearings are conducted online using a platform called Microsoft Teams. That's very similar to Zoom. What will happen is a couple of days prior to your hearing, you will get a link to join the hearing. And that link will come from me if you're a client of mine, or if you're representing yourself, it'll come directly from the Board of Appeal. They'll email you with the hearing link. When you're ready to join your hearing at the appropriate date and time, you'll just click on the link. It says click here to join the meeting. You'll click that link. If you're using a computer, laptop, PC, so forth, you'll be taken to a screen where it says either to continue on this browser or join using the Teams app. The simplest option is to continue using your browser. So you select continue on this browser. So you'll enter your name, you'll click join now, and then you'll be taken to what's called the waiting room. You'll get a message on your screen saying when the meeting starts, we'll let people know you're waiting, or we've let the organizer know that you're waiting. So when you see that message, you know that you're in the waiting room and the board members can see that you're ready for your hearing. When they're ready for your case, they'll activate your screen and you'll get some options. At the top of the screen, there are some icons, and next to the red leave button, there's a camera and microphone icon. Those might be crossed out. You need to uncross those. You need to select those so they're no longer crossed out, and what that will do is activate your camera and microphone so that the board members can see you and hear you. So that's the process to join a Board of Appeal meeting with a computer. You can also join with a smartphone, tablet, or iPad. And that process is a little different. If you're using a device other than a computer, you have to download the Teams software or the app in advance. It's a free app that's available on the Google Play Store or the Apple iStore or whatever it's called where you get your software from Apple, the App Center or whatever it is. So you'll download that ahead of time. Again, it's free, and you'll install that on your phone or on your iPad or on your tablet. And then when it comes time for the meeting, when you click on that link, that should automatically run the app so that you can connect using the app. You'll get a similar opportunity to enter your name, and it will say, we let them know you're waiting, and you'll just stand by until your screen turns on. In any case, make sure that you're in an area where there's a good Wi-Fi or internet signal so that the video is not choppy and that you can connect properly. If you're using a phone or a tablet, you should keep it stationary. Keep it on a table or prop it up on something so that you're not moving it, because that's sometimes disruptive to the board members. There is another way to connect. If you're having technical difficulties, which sometimes happens, and you're having trouble connecting with your electronic device, what you can do is you can connect by phone. In the email that you get with the hearing link, there'll be a phone number to call. So you can dial in on that number, enter the conference ID code followed by the pound sign, and then you'll be in the waiting room. And the Board of Appeal will be able to see your phone number on their screens so they can tell that someone's connected by phone with that particular phone number. When they're ready for your case, you'll be able to hear the board members, but obviously you won't be able to see them because you're just on a regular phone call. If that doesn't work, the last-ditch method is a Board of Appeal member can call you. You can provide your phone number, and a board member can call you by phone so that you don't have to call out to them. They can call you on the phone number that you provide, and you can have your hearing by phone that way. The login time that the Board of Appeal gives you is just an estimate of when your hearing may start. The board has multiple hearings to conduct during these time slots, and your hearing may not start precisely at the time that you connect. So you just need to wait on the screen patiently, and when they're ready for you, they will admit you from the waiting room into the actual hearing room. Your screen will turn on, and the board members will be able to see you, and you'll be able to see them. So your hearing may not start exactly at the time that you're supposed to connect. You should just connect and stand by for them to call your case. If you have any difficulties, you can visit my website, rmvlawyer.com. I hope you found this helpful.